We were discussing arithmetic progression, and nth term question we were discussing that how to solve the question which is having where we were having two equations and all. So yeah, let's continue with the same. Let me be assured that yeah, this type of question you can do now. Then I'll be moving to some of anthems. Okay.
Okay.
The question is the 17th term of an equal exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common domains. Yes, so think about it and tell me what can be done. Take your time, think about it, and let me know what can be done. Exceed means more than.
Yeah.
Yeah, exceeds means more than.
Okay, well, give me 5 minutes. I'll do the sum and I'll tell you the answer.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Take your time.
Okay, I got the answer.
Still,
So the common difference is 1.
how you got it so
I used that formula. That one.
17 then
And then the nth term, it's basically 17, like a7 equal to.
can you tell me the first step Zoha, so that I can check the calculation and the steps?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So basically, it says the 17 terms, right? So 17 is n. So we can write an equal to a plus bracket n minus 1 into d. Yeah, bracket d. So we can substitute it like a17 plus a, yeah, 17a plus 17 minus 1 into d. So it will
That
become
is
16d. Yeah, it will become 16d. And then after that, we can.
yes. Are you saying? I cannot hear you.
I'll say it again. So we take a on the other side. Next.
Yes, Zoha. Here it says that 17 term of an equal is more than 10th term by 7. If I am saying my age is more than yours age by 10 years, by 7 years, by whatever years, that means my age minus your age is equals to 7, right? Or
Yeah.
10. So here is again I am reading. It says that 17th term of an AP is more than 10th term by 7. So can we write that 17th term is bigger than 10th term by 7?
Yes, we can write that.
That means 17th term is larger than the 10th term. That means difference between 17th term and 10th term is 7. Now what is 17th term? Already you are having it in hand. A plus 16b.
Yes.
What is 10th term? So just like that. What is 10th terms? 10th term. In terms of A and D, what is the 10th term?
So in terms of A and D, the 10th term is like, is it a plus 90?
A plus 9. Minus is there. So carefully I am using the bracket for now. In next step I will be opening the bracket. We will be having minus a minus 9d a plus 16d a upon 16d minus 9d is equals to 7. 16 minus 9 7d is equals
7,
to 7.
7
And from here only you have got
into
d as a 1. Yes. So
yes,
okay, yeah, it is correct. This is how we'll be doing it. Okay,
because I was
just we
having
have
doubts in the steps. Like I thought they were wrong, but they're
no,
right
no,
on.
yeah, it's right. Okay, we will
Okay.
just read the instruction carefully, and accordingly we will try creating the equation, and that's it. Okay, let's do few more questions.
Okay.
How many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 7? First you think about it, then we'll be doing it together. Okay?
Okay. So if we have three numbers that are divisible by 7, does it also mean that the common difference is also 7? Like,
Yeah.
because we saw that in the other arithmetic progressions, they're divisible by their differences. So,
Okay, let's. Yeah, the common difference will be 7. That is correct. Now 3-digit number. Okay, 3-digit number. 3-digit natural number divisible by 7. Suppose the first 3-digit number is what? The first 3-digit number is 100. After 99, 100 comes, right? So,
yeah, yes,
okay, after 100, 101, 102, like that. So let's check. Let's divide this 100 by 7. Okay, we know that it is not completely divisible, but let's divide. Okay, 7, 1 times 7,
we'll do 101.
30. I'm coming to the point, like why we are dividing it by 100. So 7, 4 times 28. That means remainder is 2. From this 100, 2 is the remainder. That means if we will subtract 2 from the 100, we are getting 98, and that number is completely divisible by 7. Right, Soha?
Yes,
Basically, we are doing this process to check what is that first 3-digit number which is completely divisible by 7. ऐसा कौन सा पहला 3-digit नंबर है जो 7 से completely divisible है? तो हमारे माइंड में क्या आया कि फर्स्ट 3-digit नंबर इज 100. Okay, if we are dividing 100 by 7, remainder is coming 2. Is it possible that just we will subtract 2 from 100 and we will be getting the first 3-digit number? So once we subtracted 2 from the 100, we got a 2-digit number 98.
yeah. So
Okay,
let's try with the bigger number. Then maybe like
yes.
100
So
and
यहाँ से हमें ये पता लग रहा है कि 98 के जस्ट बाद वाला जो नंबर होगा 7 ऐड करके जो आएगा वो 7 से completely divisible होगा. आया ना?
yeah, it is. But then it's not a three-digit number, so we can't take it.
See 105. Check it. So 105 क्या 7 से completely divisible है? आया ना?
Yeah, it is. It is divisible.
तो हमारा 3-digit नंबर तो 100 से स्टार्ट होता है, लेकिन 100 डिविजिबल नहीं है 7 से. 101 भी डिविजिबल नहीं है, 102 भी डिविजिबल नहीं है, 103 भी डिविजिबल नहीं है. पहला 3-digit नंबर जो कि 7 से डिविजिबल है वो है 105.
105. Yeah. Then from there we can add the common difference and we can find the other 3-digit numbers.
Yes. Getting it, Zoha?
112 and 119. Those are the other two.
Okay. So this 100 was given us the idea that 100 से 2 अगर रिमाइंडर हटा दें तो हमें 2 डिजिट नंबर, बट क्योंकि हमें पता है यहाँ कॉमन डिफरेंस तो 7 ही होने वाला है, तो हम नेक्स्ट नंबर फाइंड कर लिया अपने सीक्वेंस का, और अब हमारा सीक्वेंस 105 से शुरू हो रहा है. Okay, our sequence is getting started from 105. Okay, let me write it over. How many 3-digit numbers? So the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 is 105. Okay, next after the gap of 7 will be there. So
Yeah, 112, then 119, and then so on.
Like this and so on. Okay. How many 3-digit number will be there? So let's check. 3-digit number means like 100, then 200, then 300, then 400. Last 3-digit number in mathematics. Okay, last 3-digit number is 999, right?
Yeah.
And after that 1000 is the 4-digit number, right? So
Yes.
okay, that means 100 से लेके 999 के बीच में ऐसे कितने सारे नंबर्स हैं जो 7 से completely divide हो जाए, ऐसे कितने सारे नंबर्स हैं. Okay, how many terms are there? So हम क्या फाइंड करना चाहते हैं? फर्स्ट टर्म तो हमने फाइंड कर लिया, कॉमन डिफरेंस हमें पता ही था. लास्ट टर्म क्या होगा? अगर ये भी फाइंड कर ले तो nth टर्म वाला फॉर्मूला निकाल के कितने टर्म्स है वो भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं, हाँ या ना? एंड ये जो लास्ट टर्म वाला, ये nth टर्म वाले फॉर्मूले को हमने अपने बुक में पढ़ा था कि लास्ट टर्म के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं. अगर हमें लास्ट टर्म पता है तो यहाँ से जो n निकल के आएगा उतने टर्म्स होंगे.
Yeah, because it tells us the amount of terms, right? Nth term is the last term.
Yes. Yes. So how many terms are there? So, कैसे भी करके अगर हमें इस सीक्वेंस का लास्ट वाला 3-digit नंबर अगर हमें मिल जाए तो हम बता सकते हैं कि टोटल कितने टर्म बन रहे हैं 7 के गैप पे. ठीक है, तो चलो लास्ट वाला नंबर फाइंड करने की कोशिश करते हैं. 1000, ये 4-digit पहला 4-digit नंबर है. अगर इसे 7 से डिवाइड करें तो क्या मिलता है? 7 1 times 7, 7 4 times 20, 7 2 times 4. ये 6 एक्स्ट्रा. अगर यहाँ से ये 6 माइनस कर तो जस्ट लास्ट वाला 3-digit नंबर मिल जाएगा या नहीं, जो 7 से डिविजिबल होगा. Are you getting it, Zoha? Let's subtract 10 minus 6 4.
Yeah, it means 994.
चेक करो 994 7 से completely divisible है. Is it, Zoha?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. 994 लास्ट नंबर है, लास्ट ऐसा 3-digit नंबर है जो 7 से डिविजिबल है. ये सारा कंसेप्ट मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक यूज करके करते हैं. ठीक है, फर्स्ट नंबर जो 7 से डिविजिबल है हमने 100 लिया 3-digit नंबर, और वहां से हमें एक आइडिया मिला कि 105. लास्ट 3-digit नंबर पता करने के लिए हमने 994 or 1000. You could also have taken 999. ठीक है, 999 को भी अगर हम 7 से डिवाइड करके चेक करते हैं तो हमारा सेम ही आता, 994 ही आता. चेक इट. 7 1 times 7, 7 4 times 20. Yes. Yes.
So
Yes,
basically, when you subtract numbers like like we got the number 5, right? It's no longer divisible. When we subtract a number like that with the given number, that number will automatically be divisible by 7. That's how it
Yeah,
works.
check it. If you are having a number, let's say 23, okay, and let's divide it by 2. So 1 times 2, 1 times 2. That means 1 is extra in this 23, 1 is extra. If we will exclude that one, 23 will become 22 and then it will be completely divisible. Remainder means what? That is the extra we are getting. If that will not be there, no, it will be completely divisible. That's what the meaning of remainder is. We ended up getting the remaining. That means this is the extra. If we will not be having this extra, then it will be completely divisible. The remainder will be 0. Getting
I
it?
had no idea about this. Yeah, I understood.
Okay. Yeah. So this logic we are applying, that we are checking, we are randomly taking the number. You can check it. I have taken 999, the last 3-digit number, and I divided it by 7. I got the remainder as a 5. That means 999 minus 5 is still 994.
9994. Yeah. So that's the
Okay.
number of digits that are divisible.
Yes, the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 is 994. If you
Yeah.
will be dividing 1000 by 7, you will be getting the same. If you will be dividing 999 by 7, you will be getting the same. Okay. So we are getting 994 as a last one. We got an AP. Okay. Now we just have to put the values to take out n from the formula. So far, is it clear to Zoha?
Yeah, it's clear.
To use?
Yeah, mom, it's clear.
Let's continue. Last term L is 994. Our A is 105. Okay, and we want to find how many terms are there or at what place this 994 is sitting. Okay, this is one, the first term. This is the second term. This is the third term. What is that term? Okay,
Yeah, we have to find the number. Like, so we
let's
have
do
to
this.
multiply 7 into the n minus 1.
Please find it and find from here.
Okay.
what are you getting?
1 second, I'm almost done.
Take your
Getting like 128.
let's check.
It's kind of a decimal number, though it's not exactly divisible.
Let me check. So 105 plus 7 and minus 7.
Yeah,
105 minus 7 is what?
105 minus 7 is 98.
90 plus 7, 94. Okay, 7 and is 994 minus 98, right?
Yes,
Okay. Here it will do the subtraction. Now we're going to get 6, 896. Is it so? So
yeah, 896.
then we will divide it by 7.
Yeah, we divide by 7 and we get 1.
One 128. Yeah. Decimal we are not getting so much, right?
Decimal. But then
Or
where are
also,
those?
yeah, what?
But we are getting a decimal. If you divide it further, like if you take the decimal point, you can you can
No,
divide it.
the remainder is becoming 0,
Oh wait, sorry.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah, we are not getting decimal. We are getting 128. How many terms are there? 128 terms are there. This
yeah.
128 is representing that at 128th place, 994 is sitting. Okay, at first place, 105 is there. At second place, 112 is there. At third place, 119 is there. At 128th place, 994 is there. So total how many terms are there? 128 terms are there, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. So let me summarize how many three-digit natural number are divisible by 7. ऐसे कितने सारे natural number है जो कि 3-digit natural number होने चाहिए और 7 से भी divisible होने चाहिए. ऐसे कितने सारे numbers हैं? 10, 20, 30, 40 कितने numbers हैं ऐसे जो 3-digit number है और 7 से completely divisible है? First, we have found the sequence. Okay, what is the first three-digit number which is divisible by 7? Okay, you can take any three-digit number. Just try taking in the range of like in between 100 to 110. Try taking in this range and check it in between this number. Which number is completely divisible by 7? Okay, you
Okay.
can divide 100 by 7. You can check it. You can divide 110 by 7. You can check it. You will be getting the same 105. Okay. Now the next we already know what will be the last term. That was the main confusion, that how to find the last term. So again we have done the same thing. The last three digit number 999 we have divided by 7. or maybe we can divide 1000 by 7. We will be getting 994, a number which is completely divisible by 7. Okay, now we just need to find at which place this 994 is sitting in our sequence. So you can use the last term formula or you can use the nth term formula, and we will be getting n over here, that many terms we have in our sequence. Is it crystal clear, Zoha?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
We take the next one. Have we done this question? Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2. Have we done this question, Zoha? No, right?
No, we haven't.
Okay, so let's check it whether this term exists in this AP or not. See, minus 150 we are having, and you can see our arithmetic sequence, it's decreasing sequence, 11, then 8, then 5, then 2. It will keep on decreasing. Okay,
Okay.
and we have to check whether this term, like after a certain period of time, will be getting minus 150 or not. Okay, let's check it. So we will say that, let's say nth term an is minus 150, and let's try finding n from here, that at which place minus 150 is sitting. Getting it, Zoha?
Yeah.
Okay, let's say an is minus 150 at any place minus 150. Let's assume that it is there. And what is that place? If we will be able to find, then we can say that, yeah, at this place minus 150 is sitting. Okay, it is this term of this a. So minus an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into our a is, our an is minus 150. Please tell me, Zoha, what is A, what is D according to this sequence?
Okay. So A is 11 because it is the first term. D is minus 3 because if you subtract 11,
Yes, perfect.
if you subtract 8 minus 11, you get that minus 3. And an is equal to minus 150. And then from there we can substitute the values.
Yes, please find N from
Okay. I'm getting n as a mixed fraction. It's like 54 2 by 3.
Maybe it could be. Let me check. Minus 150 is
The reason is
equals to
because
11.
it's not exactly divisible.
Let me check. We'll be having minus 3n over here plus 3 over here. 11 plus 3,
Yeah, it will be 14.
14.
Then we take 14 on the other side, become minus 14. So it becomes minus 64.
Is equals to minus 3. It will become, of course, minus 164 minus 3, and n is equals to minus 164 by minus 3.
So you can cancel.
5 times 50. Okay, 3 4 times. We are getting mixed fraction. We are getting decimal. Is it possible to say that at 54 point something, at 54 point whatever, at that place minus 150 is sitting? Is it making sense? That anyone in the class got the rank 54 point something?
No, because it has to be exact, right? In order
It
for this
has
to
to
be a
be a
part of,
whole number.
yeah,
So it
in
is
order,
not making sense. That means minus 150, check whether minus 150 is a term. It's not a term. If it would be a term, we must have got a proper whole number for n. Since it is not lying in the AP, that's why we are getting such a random number, the decimal. Getting?
yeah,
Hence, minus 150 is not a term of given. Let's, let's do the next question. Yes. Which term of this AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? From this AP, which term? Maybe nth term. Nth term is 132 more than its 54th term. Okay, either you can write it like this. Its nth term is 132 already moved. Since you are giving equality sign, you can write it 54th term plus 130. Or the way I have explained you, if I am elder than you, if my age is more than your age, maybe 10 year, maybe 20 year, maybe 5 year, maybe 7 year, whatever, that means my age minus age is that. So here you can use the same logic. That means nth term, which one is the bigger in between? Which term? That means if we are saying nth term is 132 more, nth term is 132 more than 5042. That means difference of both is 132. Right? So read the question, then see it. Again read it and then see this part and tell me whether it is crystal clear or not.
So basically we're just equating, right? So first we wrote an equal to a54 plus 132. We took that a54 on the other side, then we made this equation. Is that how
I'm
this
not
number?
telling you how to solve it. I'm not telling you how to solve it. I'm just telling you whether this whatever I have written on this tree, is it making sense to you?
Not really.
Okay. So let's read the question. Which term of the AP, which term of this AP will be 132 more than 54th term? Okay. We are having an 3, 15, 27, 39, 3, 15, 27, 39. Now in this AP, what is that term? What is that term? Maybe what is that term? Which is 132 more than 54th term. Okay. Maybe at 54th place, whatever is sitting. Let's check what is sitting at 54th place. Okay. We will be able to find, right?
Yeah.
So 54th, at 54th place, which term is sitting? So formula for 54th term will be a plus n minus 1 into d, right?
Yeah.
That means a plus 54 minus 1 into d. That means a plus 53 into d. Do we know a and d? Yeah, we know a is 3 and d is
It is the difference. That's 12.
okay. So 54th term is a, that is 3 plus 53 into 12. Please do this calculations.
Okay. It's 639.
630. क्या तो हमारा जो 54th टर्म है इस एपी में वो 639 है राइट सोहा
Yes. It's a 54th term.
ओके और क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है कौन सा ऐसा टर्म है विच टर्म ऑफ द एपी इस एपी में कौन सा ऐसा टर्म है जो 132 ज्यादा है 54th टर्म से 54th टर्म तो 639 है 132 more means 9 10 11 1 carry on 3 3 6 1 7 6 1 7 कौन से प्लेस पे वो नंबर बैठा है ओके कौन से
Okay.
प्लेस पे वो नंबर बैठा है जो 132 मोर है किससे 54th टर्म से ये कौन से प्लेस पे ऐसा नंबर बैठा हुआ है दैट मीन्स क्या नंबर है हमारे पास इस प्लेस पे हमारे पास एग्जैक्टली नंबर क्या है 54 टर्म तो हमें पता है 132 771 कौन से प्लेस पे है रादर देन इतना घुमा के पूछने की बजाय अगर हम बोले कि 771 प्लेस पे बैठा है विच टर्म इज 771 इन दिस सीक्वेंस तो ये ज्यादा क्लैरिटी दे रहा है राइट सोहा
Yeah, we're trying to find out like where this number lies. Place where it
okay
lies. Yeah.
again read the question let me rub this part okay this was creating confusion to you let me rub now again read the question and tell me now are you getting which term of the AP will be 132 more than 54th term? Getting it, Zoha? 54th term पे कौन सा नंबर, कौन सा एग्जैक्टली नंबर है इस सीक्वेंस में 54th प्लेस पे कौन सा नंबर है वो हमने फाइंड किया। उससे 132 मोर कहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है? 70th प्लेस पे, 100th प्लेस पे, 200th प्लेस पे, कौन से प्लेस पे बैठा हुआ है? एक ऐसा नंबर जो कि
It's asking us
54th
where
टर्म
the
से
number.
132 ज्यादा है।
Okay, so it's asking us where the number is. Like, what is the placement of the number?
Exactly, where the
Okay,
number is. Where the number is, which is 132 more than the 54th one.
so that placement is more than that. So the
Okay, so
term
what
is
is,
more than 132. And then from there we have to find the placement.
yeah. So
Okay,
first we found what is 54th one. That is
yeah,
639.
639.
And 132 more than that means 771.
171.
Now where this 771 is lying?
You have to find the placement. Like,
Yes, we have to
what's the
find
number
the
of the
place.
term? Yes. Okay, I
Getting it?
understood. I understood. Yeah, I understood.
So let me write A54th 54th term. You can write it in a bracket. Term. You are finding A54 is equals to A plus 54 minus 1 into D, and from here you are getting right, 639. Okay, now 142 more than 639, that is 54th term, is equal to 771. Let's assume at nth place it is sitting. Let's see, an is 771, and let's find n from there. Getting it, so
Yes.
let's find. Okay, then we'll wrap it up. So an is equals to a plus n
Yeah, a
minus 1
plus n minus 1 into d. So it would be 771 equal to 3. 3 plus n minus 1 into 12. Yeah, I'll do it.
be
I'll
able
do
to.
it.
So from here we will be able to get what is that piece. Do it, okay? And let me